Hello YouTube, I am Matthew and welcome to the Web World channel. And in this video, we're going to be doing something rather different. Now, if you notice that I'm kind of talking a little lower, or, obviously it's a little darker in the room, that's because it's nighttime and there's people that are obviously sleeping. So I'm trying to be a little quieter for this video. I might amplify the audio so you can hear me better. But anyways, I'm here today to show you guys on how to spawn tornado in Minecraft versions 1.12.2 or lower. So without further ado, so as you can see, I'm in my Minecraft world right now. This is the quartz house slash mansion that we'll be working with today. I built it myself. We're not gonna go into that or anything. We're here to learn how to spawn a tornado in Minecraft, so let's get started. So we're gonna go in here. I'm gonna explain a few things as I'm running around here. So you will need a mod in order for some of this stuff to work that I'm about to explain. I'm gonna open this chest right here, and what you're about to see are two commands. Obviously the mod you're gonna need is something called the localized weather mod. I'll have a video linked down in the description on how to install it. It's a very simple mod. It's a very exciting mod as well. That's all the mods you will need. You'll need that in Cora Util. I'll explain in the video I'm about to link down in the description down below, so go watch that if you don't know what the localized weather tornadoes mod is, because that is what you will need in order for this stuff that I'm about to explain to work. As you can see, I'm gonna open this up, and obviously on the screen there are two commands. It reads, the two commands you can use with the Minecraft localized weather mod are these. So I should specify that the first one on the screen, the one that says /WM spawn tornado, only works for Minecraft versions 1.6.4 or older. It does not work for 1.7 and above. It only works for older versions, like I just said, 1.6 or older. First one right here, /WM spawn tornado. And the way it works is basically just type this into your chat, if you're obviously playing in the older versions, and just type in /WM spawn tornado, and then you just do basically 1 to 5 like the Vegeta scale in real life. It's really not that much different. Yeah, that's how the first one works. It's very simple. All you do is type it in chat or a command block or whatever, and you just fire it up and it'll spawn a tornado for you. Whatever rating you give it, it'll be different sizes based on different numbers you give it. And then the second one is actually for versions 1.7.10 and above, up to 1.12.2, maybe 1.13 if they don't change it. And that's what you would type in. If you want to stop the video, take a screenshot or whatever, go right ahead. We're gonna go to the testing chamber and test these commands out to make sure that they work. So let's get into it. So as you can see, I'm in my testing chamber right here, made of obsidian, all this other different stuff. We're gonna close the door here. As you can see, I have a few command blocks laid down on the ground. This one obviously reads the newer version for Minecraft 1.7 and above, /weather2 storm create, and I actually implemented a command where it can spawn an F0 tornado. Now, like I said, the greater the number is that you spawn, tornadoes and stuff, the larger the tornado actually is. That's a fun fact. Well, F0s are actually pretty small, and I would just like to point out you can do more than just spawn tornadoes with this specific command, the one that works with the newer versions of Minecraft. You can do hailstorms, you can do rainstorms, you can do thunder. And I'm not going to show you every single little thing, because I don't want this video being 10 or 15 minutes of me doing every single little thing. This is just basically what you can type in, and it'll actually spawn what you type in, which is very interesting. You can type in wind, and it'll spawn a windstorm, or cyclone, which you could do it like this. So C0 all the way through C5. C obviously standing for cyclone. You just do C0, C1, C2, and etc. up to 5. And that's basically how that works. And for tornadoes, it's the same thing, just it has F, because that's for Vegeta. 0 up to F5. We're gonna be spawning that. I was playing around with it earlier, that's why it reads storm C5 created on the bottom there. But yeah, we're just gonna spawn this and see what happens. 3, 2, 1, let's do it. So as you can see, we have an F0 on the radar, on the storm radar right here. It is currently spawning right over us. As you can hear that through the game audio, hopefully. I can see the rain's going sideways, and the sirens are obviously blaring. So there it is right there. There's the F0. Obviously, it looks large, but compared to all the other tornadoes in this mod, it is very small, trust me. That's basically how you do it. I think I need to go any further than that. You can play around with it, instead just using the stuff that I explained. We're gonna actually kill this storm. I put a command on here which kills storms. Basically reads /weather2 storm kill all, which basically kills all the storm in your local Minecraft world. Or you could just use a deflector. If you guys know a little bit about the tornado mod, you could just use a deflector and that'll just kill the storm. The tornado is all gone now, and that's basically how you stop it with a command. We're gonna head over to back to the house, and we're gonna finish up the video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you really enjoyed this video. I don't know if it's gonna get like 10 views, 100 views. I don't think this will get 1,000. I really don't think so. If it does, okay. Really hoped this video helped you out. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's Weather World. You know, do that down in the description down below. You can just click that and click the bell so you get notifications from my channel, because oftentimes YouTube does not send out notifications if you don't have the bell turned on. It will just choose and pick when you should see my videos. So yeah, make sure to do that. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.